Girl Scouts. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bird feeder that you can hang anywhere out of a toilet paper roll. So in your bags you would have gotten some bird seed and some peanut butter, which will probably be in with the food. And if you have yarn, that would be great. If not, you did get some friendship bracelet string that you could use if you don't have any yarn. So it's pretty easy. You have your toilet paper roll that was in your bag as well. You put on some of the peanut butter. All the way around. And then you got your bird seed. You pour some of it out on here. Then you roll it in there. Roll it in there. And then you get your string and then you put it all the way through. Pretty easy. Then I found another way. You cut a piece of apple, put some peanut butter on it, and add some of the bird seed. You have another bird feeder. All right, thank you for joining us. Have fun, Girl Scouts.